Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we talk about health and wellness. In today's video, we'll be discussing the benefits of eating oats every day and what happens when you incorporate it into your daily diet. Health benefits of eating oats. Firstly, oats are a great source of fiber which helps in regulating digestion and preventing constipation. They also contain complex carbohydrates that provide sustained energy throughout the day, making them a perfect breakfast option. Additionally, oats are a low glycemic index food, which means they help in regulating blood sugar levels, making them an ideal option for people with diabetes. Weight management. If you're looking to lose weight, oats can be a great addition to your diet. Due to their high fiber content, oats keep you feeling full for longer, which reduces your overall calorie intake. Moreover, oats are low in fat and calories, making them an excellent choice for weight management. Boost heart health. Studies show that eating oats regularly can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and protect against heart disease. This is because oats contain a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which helps in reducing the absorption of cholesterol in the bloodstream. Versatility of oats. Oats are a versatile food that can be used in various recipes such as oatmeal, granola bars, smoothies, and baked goods. You can even use oats as a healthy substitute for breadcrumbs in savory dishes. In conclusion, incorporating oats into your daily diet can have numerous health benefits, including improved digestion, weight management, and heart health. They're also versatile and can be used in various recipes, making them a convenient addition to your diet. So, if you're looking for an easy and healthy way to boost your overall health, start eating oats every day. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness related content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.